That's the hustle. Did y'all know that's the hustle? You make enough money to pay everybody so you don't do shit, but be as happy as you can be. I want to be happy.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I promise this time to be consistent. No, but today I just wanted to demonstrate this bowl hold, y'all. This is my first time using bowl hold, and when I say it holds, it holds. As y'all know, this is what bowl hold looks like. I love it. This is a lace closure that I have installed. It's not even melted down or anything like that. So I could just pull it up, pull it back down. I took a little bit of baby hairs out just for that. But I just wanted to demonstrate how this bowl hold works and just go through the steps that you'll have to take. Because a lot of people said that it didn't work. Like, I read reviews on it and a lot of people said that the bowl hold didn't work. But when I say it worked, it worked. So I'm just going to clean my face off the top with some alcohol. Just clean that part off because I have makeup on. So just clean that part off. You can pull it up a little bit if you need to. But this needs to be clean in order for it to stick properly. So what I was told was to apply 3 layers. I applied it 3 layers. I really didn't need 3 layers because I like to take my hair off at night. Some people don't like to do that, but I like to take mine off at night. So this time I'm only gonna use 2. I'm not gonna use 3. But if you wanted to stay longer, then you can just apply 3. I'm just gonna do 2 for now. As y'all can see, this is where my lace starts. So I'm just gonna apply the bowl hold right across the front of my forehead. And like I said, I'm just gonna apply it 2 times, not 3. And then you could use popsicle sticks. You can use whatever you want to use. I'm just going to use this comb because it's right here. And I'm going to apply it with this, my rat tail comb. And like any excessive glue that you have, you can just wipe it off with the alcohol. So you want to put your blow dryer on a cool setting and let it melt down a little bit until it turns clear. So it looks like it's turning clear. So now you can apply your second coat. And it is going to be a little sticky. Of course, it's glue, so it's going to be a little bit sticky. But the product does work. So if you want to learn how it works, keep watching. Now I'm just gonna bring this up so you guys can see how I blend it. And it literally just melts in your skin just like this. Now you're gonna grab your comb and you're just gonna apply this. You're gonna melt it in your skin just like this. Y'all, the product like really works. I had to do a review on this bow hold. I was like, wow. Like, and I didn't even put it, like, this is my wig, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but I didn't even put it like all the way over here. But I just wanted you guys to see that the product definitely works. Like, and then what you need to do is just take your alcohol, like an alcohol swab, a cotton, well, I wouldn't say a cotton ball. Like, typically I use like a white towel, and you can just wipe like the residue off that you have. You can just wipe that off. I just have a white towel. And I just typically wipe off any type of residue that I might have. I just wipe that off. And then it's just like, boom. So if you guys were wondering if the bow hold really works, yes, it does. Don't mind this. I'm gonna fix my hair off camera, but I really needed to show y'all that this bow hold like works very good. So I wanted to make my part a little more defined. I did do it a little bit off of camera, but I just grabbed some minerals powder from like my local beauty supply store. And this is chestnut that I have in. And I'll just like make my part as defined as I can. And like make it look a little more natural. Now make sure you get the right color. This matches with my skin tone. I'm typically chestnut in almost everything. So this definitely works for me. And it just makes your part a little more defined. I don't have to do baby hairs. Like, not every style doesn't require baby hairs. So I probably won't end up doing baby hairs with this one. I just pulled a little bit out just so it could look a little more natural. So yeah, get you some powders to make those parts defined and kind of blend it in a little bit better. And you should be good to go. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back next time with another video. Next time I'll show y'all exactly how I do my flat iron curls.